Laughter is the soundtrack of a happy home. Let's turn up the volume. This session is designed to help you attract positive energy into your family life and see the fun in the daily dance of parenting. Repeat after me and settle into a state of contentment and appreciation for this beautiful parenting journey. I am grateful for my children's unique spirits. I am grateful for my children's unique spirits. I choose joy in my parenting journey today. I choose joy in my parenting journey today. I am appreciative of the small, messy moments. I am appreciative of the small, messy moments. Laughter is the soundtrack of our home. Laughter is the soundtrack of our home. I find happiness in watching my children grow. I find happiness in watching my children grow. I cherish the love we share. I cherish the love we share. Today is filled with beautiful possibilities. Today is filled with beautiful possibilities. I am thankful for this wonderful, wild journey. I am thankful for this wonderful, wild journey. I see the magic in everyday moments. I see the magic in everyday moments. I am a source of light and warmth for my family. I am a source of light and warmth for my family. My heart is full of love and contentment. My heart is full of love and contentment. I am blessed with the opportunity to guide these souls. I am blessed with the opportunity to guide these souls. I attract positive energy into my home. I attract positive energy into my home. I am celebrating the parent I am right now. I am celebrating the parent I am right now. I choose to see the fun in my daily routine. I choose to see the fun in my daily routine. I am filled with unlimited patience. I am filled with unlimited patience. I am enough for my children. I am enough for my children. I focus on what is working well in our family. I focus on what is working well in our family. I am releasing expectations and embracing reality. I am releasing expectations and embracing reality. I am creating a loving legacy. I am creating a loving legacy. I feel deeply appreciated by my family. I feel deeply appreciated by my family. I am radiating happiness and optimism. I am radiating happiness and optimism. I celebrate my child's imagination. I celebrate my child's imagination. I am open to receiving help and support. I am open to receiving help and support. I am proud of the connection I share with my children. I am proud of the connection I share with my children. I am nurturing my child's joy. I am nurturing my child's joy. I find wonder in my child's perspective. I find wonder in my child's perspective. My love is unconditional and abundant. My love is unconditional and abundant. I am taking care of myself so I can care for them. I am taking care of myself so I can care for them. Every day is a fresh start. Every day is a fresh start. I allow myself to feel happiness fully. I allow myself to feel happiness fully. I am confident in my ability to teach and guide. I am confident in my ability to teach and guide. I trust that I am doing a good job. I trust that I am doing a good job. I see beauty in the chaos. I see beauty in the chaos. My home is a haven of love and acceptance. My home is a haven of love and acceptance. I am blessed by the simple things. I am blessed by the simple things. I am creating happy memories today. I am creating happy memories today. I forgive myself for my parenting mistakes. I forgive myself for my parenting mistakes. I am a positive influence on my family. I am a positive influence on my family. I am enjoying the small moments of quiet. I am enjoying the small moments of quiet. I embrace the unique timeline of my children. I embrace the unique timeline of my children. I am grateful for my own support system. I am grateful for my own support system. I am choosing peace over perfection. I am choosing peace over perfection. I am safe to prioritize my happiness. I am safe to prioritize my happiness. I thank my children for teaching me patience. I thank my children for teaching me patience. I am letting go of past parenting worries. I am letting go of past parenting worries. I am focusing on what matters most, connection. I am focusing on what matters most, connection. I am a wonderful parent. I am a wonderful parent. I am attracting positive experiences. I am attracting positive experiences. I am satisfied with my efforts today. I am satisfied with my efforts today.